Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine. As in previous lecture, we have learnt about turmeric as an indicator, that how turmeric is used to check the solution, either they are acidic, basic or neutral. Similarly, today we will learn about litmus as an indicator. Also, we will perform an activity to find the nature of given solution using litmus paper. The most commonly used natural indicator is litmus. Litmus क्या है? This is a natural indicator and it is most commonly used to check the nature of solution, either they are acidic, basic or neutral. It is a dye extracted from lichens. Lichens are an organism which are composed of fungus and algae plants. It is a composition of two plants, fungus and algae. The solution of litmus in distilled water is mauve in color. Litmus का जो solution होता है distilled water में, that is mauve, purple in color, and this solution is called neutral litmus solution. How does a litmus solution work? ये litmus solution जो है neutral litmus solution, ये work कैसे करता है? When neutral litmus solution is added to an acidic solution, जब इस neutral litmus solution को acidic solution में add किया जाता है, it turns red. इसका कलर क्या हो जाता है? Red. And when it is added to a basic solution, it turns blue. और जब ये basic solution में add करा जाता है तो इसका कलर क्या हो जाता है? Blue color. Must remember this. जब neutral litmus acidic में add होगा तो कलर कौन सा हो जाएगा उसका? Red. And when this same neutral solution is added to a basic solution, it will turns into blue color. When neutral litmus solution is added to a neutral solution, then it doesn't change its color. Then there is no change in color in the solution, means the solution to which neutral litmus solution is added, that solution is a neutral solution. Now we will perform an activity to determine the nature of given solution, basic, acidic or neutral, using litmus paper. How can we use litmus paper to check the nature of solution? We will see in this activity. Things needed: red litmus paper strips, blue litmus paper strips and solutions. Here we have taken 4 solutions: lemon juice solution, aerated drink, common salt solution and washing soda solution. In this activity we will check either these solutions are acidic, basic or neutral, one by one. Firstly, we will take lemon juice solution and red litmus paper, a strip of red litmus paper and a strip of blue litmus paper. Firstly, we will dip a strip of red litmus paper into a lemon juice, and what do we observe? There is no change in color of red litmus paper. Then we take a blue litmus paper and dip it in the lemon juice solution, and here we observe that it changes to red color. So from here we observe that lemon juice is a acidic solution, because acidic solution turns blue litmus paper to red litmus paper. Must remember, if a solution turns blue litmus paper to red litmus paper, then that is an acidic solution. Next we will take common salt solution and a red litmus paper strip and blue litmus paper strip. Firstly, we will dip a red litmus paper strip in common salt solution and observe that there is no change in the color of red litmus paper. Now we are taking blue litmus paper strip and dip it into the common salt solution, and again we observe that there is no change in color of blue litmus paper. So from here we conclude that common salt solution is a neutral solution which doesn't change the color of red litmus paper or blue litmus paper. जो solution ना तो red ना blue litmus paper का color change करता है, वो कौन सा solution होता है? Neutral solution. Now we are taking washing soda solution, red litmus paper strip and blue litmus paper strip. Firstly, we dip a red litmus paper strip into a washing soda solution, and we observe that color of red litmus paper changes to blue color. Now we will dip blue litmus paper strip into a washing soda solution, and here we observe that there is no change in color of blue litmus paper. So from here we conclude that it is a basic solution, because basic solution turns red litmus paper into blue. Now we take aerated drink. You can take any aerated drink, Coca-Cola, Limca, anyone, and red litmus paper strip and blue litmus paper strip. Firstly, we take a red litmus paper and put a drop of aerated drink on red litmus paper. Here we observe that there is no change in color in red litmus paper. Now we will take blue litmus paper and put few drops of aerated drink on blue litmus paper. We observe that blue litmus paper changes to red color. So from here we conclude that aerated drink is a acidic solution. So in this way we can test nature of any solution using litmus paper. Thank you, students.